Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a tune-up on an Ariens riding mower. We're going to be doing the spark plug, air filter, changing the oil and the oil filter, as well as the fuel filter. And a couple things, because I'm not going to talk very much in this video, but we are going to put a fuel stabilizer in the gas tank for over winter. This is ethanol shield. And we're going to be using Briggs oil. And if you guys would like a parts description, just let me know. I can always put it down in the description below. And without further ado, let's get to it. All right, guys, there you have it. Thanks for joining me. If you guys have any questions about what I did and the parts I used and the tools I used, just let me know. I can put part numbers in the description below. And if you guys would like more detailed videos with me talking and stuff like that, this is my first repair video on this channel regarding lawnmowers, so just let me know what you guys think. I can do more detailed videos. Again, this is my first one, so I'm not talking very much in it, but you get the gist of what's going on. But I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I appreciate you guys being here, and you guys have a great day and be safe.